Yeah, hello. Can I talk to Detective Montevarro, I believe? Hello?
Sir?
Yes.
I'm sorry, who are you looking for?
I think his name is Detective Montevarro, I think his name. I cannot pronounce his name.
Detective Montalvo?
Yes.
Okay, he's not in the office today, sir. Can I take a message?
My name is Jose Lopez. He was doing a investigation about my complaint that I made to the Citizens Police Review Board a few weeks ago.
Okay.
I just want to know what happened with that. He got my number. I don't know if he can call me back.
Sure.
He told me that because this had to do with my former female doctor, Nishani.
Okay.
He told me he was going to try to interview her because of what's happening. I just want to know if he did that, what he's doing about that, you know. That, I just want to know because nobody had called me or sent me any letters or anything.
Okay. What's your phone number, sir?
I don't have it with me right now because it's my cell phone, my new cell phone. But he have it. He called me from. He called my cell phone before, so he have my phone. So okay.
Okay, you don't know it off the top of your head? You don't know your phone number? Is that what you said?
No, not my mind. No, because it's a new cell phone that I have.
Okay, but Detective Montalvo does have your contact?
Yes, he did. He left a message maybe like 3 weeks ago in my phone.
Okay.
Now, I need to ask you another question. What was going to ask you about something else? I was going to ask you. Yeah, I just want to know what he's doing about that. You know, about that. Did he have a voicemail? Can I leave a message or in case?
No, I'm sorry, he doesn't, sir.
He don't have a voicemail?
He does not, but I'll be sure to give him the message.
Okay, so I wait for him to call me back. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You have a nice day.
You too, sir.
Thank you.